Here's a view of the latest no coding required website builder being offered by, curiously enough, Google. It's called GoogleSites, and it looks like it's a blogspot replacement, but it could be also a replacement for the original Sites.Google program. In any case, what we thought we would do here is show you what Google has brought into the world of drag and drop website design. So let's create a new page, and we'll hit the plus sign here, and we'll call this slider. For images. And we're done. And notice it's already created a logo for it, and it is created a slider for images menu item. Let's take a look. We can change the header type to a banner. Currently it's a title only. We could change it to a banner, and that would look like this, or a large banner, or a cover, more or less a complete page cover. We'll switch to a banner, and I think we can change the background of the banner. This is a little tricky. Let's see if it's up here. Oh, it's the navigation mode. Let's see. It says side. Let's take a look at side navigation. Oh, here's what I was looking for. A change image. We'll switch this back to top navigation. And we want to change this background image here. And let's just let's do an upload. And we've got plenty of images here to use. Let's try this. And there we go. Notice that it's adjusting for readability the coloring of the text. Okay, so we have slider for images. That's our first part. Now we want to add or insert text box images from Drive. And we got a whole bunch of layouts. Here we go. We could put in a calendar, but we want to put in slides. So we're going to say get out of this. We get docs, we can get sheets, we can get charts and forms, but not a carousel of slides. Okay, so what do we do? Okay, what we do is we change our purpose, and we're going to do slides in sites. So we're going to change this. Slides in sites. Okay, we're going to widen this out. So this is, let's see, can I drag this? I hope I can drag this. There's no, oh yes I can, good. Oops, that's not where I wanted it. This is strange, it doesn't show the original thing. It shows, okay, that's roughly in the center. Okay, so let's move it up a bit. Oh boy. So obviously Google has a little bit of a problem with its drag and drop operations. They're, they're not terribly representative of what's going to happen when you release the object. Okay, I'm going to try one more time to get this thing to go up. Okay, we'll give up. Surrender is the better part of valor here. Okie doke. So now we're going to go put in slides. Okay, so we go down here and we get some slides. And let's see, that's actually a really good lecture. Google Data City. See, there's some good lectures here. This is from the WordPress meetup group. Okay, let's try this one. I think I drag and drop it, but maybe I've got this wrong. Whoops. So, how do I get this over? You see? You gotta click on it. Yeah, you just click on it. And we're gonna make this pretty big. And there we have a PowerPoint presentation that happens to be also in Google Suite. It's a slide tool. Okay, so it's a Google Slides. And so the ability to move things. Let's just move this down. That should do it. Okay, so we have created a brand new page with a brand new subject matter because there is no carousel slider yet. They promised it, but it's still not here yet. And so we're going to have to go back and change one thing, and that is we're going to go back and change, instead of slider for images, we're going to change the title to Slides Insights. Okay, and to do that, we click out of here, we go over to Pages, we click on this, I think we click here. No, don't want to do any of those. I want to change that. There it is. Slides. Insights. So this should show up here. Yep, Slides Insights, and there we have it. And we then can publish it, and we'll do that right now. And my site has been published successfully. So net result is that you get a feel for the drag and drop, no coding required, but also you see that there is some awkwardness and clumsiness in some of the features. And the features are roughly at where Gutenberg was last year in terms of this time last year, roughly April of 2018, it was starting to appear with all sorts of non-working blocks and modules and widgets, and they weren't quite working together well. And there wasn't a complete set in comparison to other tools like Wix or Elementor. Wix is a complete website builder. Elementor is a WordPress-based theme builder. And both of those have a much more complete and robust set of tools and widgets and so forth. So this site, Google Sites, is in the same position as uh, uh, Gutenberg was, and Gutenberg has improved quite considerably. And I urge you to go and take a look if you're a WordPress user. Go and take a look at some of the new features in Gutenberg to see how much progress can be made.